How to sign in into Amazon Prime Videos. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign in or log in into your Amazon Prime Videos. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up a web browser. After you've opened up a web browser, simply search for Amazon Prime. After you search that up, you will get the primevideos.com website pop up. Tap on it, and now you are on primevideos.com. Now, if you're already a member, you will simply need to sign in, and that's what we're gonna do. So tap on this sign in option. After you tap on sign in option, you will get this page here. Now, if you already have an account, simply type in your email address here, tap on continue. If you do not have an account, tap on create your Amazon account. Tap on continue here, and after you do that, type in your password, and after you type in your password, you will get logged in into your Amazon Prime Videos account. And that is all for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.